వేడి వేడి పెసరట్టు నీకు నచ్చిన పెసరట్టు మంచి ఎమ్మెల్యే పెసరట్టు. We are always talking about healthy food, and today I am going to make green moong dosa. I am very happy and proud that we are going to bring you a lot of healthy recipes, especially pre-pregnancy, during pregnancy, 1000 days and beyond, even for people with diabetes and all that. To help us with this, my professor who used to teach me in my college, and her name is Mallika Janakiraman, and we lovingly call Mallika ma'am. So Mallika ma'am is going to address a lot of your questions. So let's listen to few words of Mallika ma'am.
Did you know, by the end of 2 years, your toddler's brain would have grown almost 80% of its adult size, and so his height. The challenge is, how do you give them optimal nutrition to establish a lifelong healthy eating habits? It's a task easier said than done. I started my career as a nutritionist, not by design, but by default. So when I was teaching nutrition at the Institute of Hotel Management at Hyderabad, Sanjay was one of my students, and every time I would talk nutrition, the lunch was served to the teachers. And every table would have a placard where we had to talk about the nutritive value of the dessert. And the students would only place it on my table, saying that, keep it with you. We are not interested because taste is more important. Well, I would have thought differently then. Now I believe in it that taste is so important to nutrition.
Let me tell you, while I was a student, when I used to listen to our class, I always used to think, in my profession, I should have that much passion as she has for teaching. It is such a pleasure and honor to collaborate with my own professor on our show. She has worked with many government organizations, multinational companies. She has been instrumental in guiding a lot of organizations in food and nutrition. So, from next week, we're going to have her on the show, and any questions you have, you will be able to ask her, and also for weight loss and also for being healthy. For making this healthy pesarattu, we have soaked the green gram, that is a moong dal. Soak it for few hours, after which add a little bit of green chili and few pieces of onion, and also in this you can add some rice, and we're going to make this into a coarse paste. Do not add water, and later if you need water we're going to add. So green chili, onion, little bit of soaked rice along with lot of green dal, nicely ground. In this add salt and mix this. So any of the grains, when you soak it with the skin on, there is a light air gap that is created when you soak it. Then when you grind it, that is what will naturally cause the aeration. With this moong dal dosa, what we call pesarattu, the favorite chutney is ginger chutney, and we make it slightly sweet. But today we are going to make this into ginger, onion and garlic chutney. And lot of times whenever they serve in the hotels, they serve ginger chutney red, but we are going to make it slightly yellowish. Here is the ginger, add cumin seeds, add garlic, onions, and we are going to make it slightly yellowish, so turmeric, and add some green chilies instead of red chilies. Add some tamarind, and also we are going to add some jaggery. When it is fried, add sesame seeds, add salt. So all of this slowly cook till they are nice and soft. Blend it to a nice paste, and that will be a fantastic chutney for your pesarattu. Now we are going to make a soft upma. Very little oil, mustard seeds, chana dal, and also jeera, cumin seeds. This upma is going to be slightly soft, and also this is going to be spread on the pesarattu. In this, add very little of curry leaf and little bit of hing. Suji, dry roast it to get that nice aroma. Add water, lot of water. Salt also. This has to be a soft upma. When this is soft, it will spread nicely. Now we are going to make awesome pesarattu upma, which is the greatest combination for ages. Pour the pesarattu batter, make it the way you want. If you want it thin, the edges, you kind of run it, that's it, perfect. On top of this, you add oil, onion, little coriander, green chili, little bit of jeera also. Now take upma, just add. We just spread the upma, little bit like this, and for the special pesarattu, they add little bit of butter. Once again, optional. Now look at this beautiful pesarattu, nice, ready. Just super. Take the pesarat and look at this beautiful. How nice, wonderful. With this, add the chutney. Hot to pesarattu, vedi vedi pesarattu, నీకు నచ్చిన పెసరట్టు. మంచి ఎమ్మెల్యే పెసరట్టు కంటే గొప్పది భార్య పెసరట్టు. Enjoy hot food and on a banana leaf with that ginger chutney. It has got the nice sweetness, and along with this pesarattu.
And also the upma.
The upma makes this even more elegant, tasty, delicious, whatever. And along with the chutney, I can't wait. Wow.
It's fighting.
I almost got her finger. It would have been non-veg recipe today. This is the egg yolk is still little bit soft. Upma. And you already done? Finished. Now look at this beautiful egg dosa. Egg pesarattu. And wow. Absolutely boomba. Enjoy, young lady. Anything else? Enjoy. And this pesarattu with upma. So whenever you tear the pesarattu, you will have little bit of upma stuffed in there. The real taste comes with the chutney. This is little bit sweet, spicy, and perfect. Make sure you try this. This is nice, healthy, and absolutely boomba tasty. With every bite, the same pesarattu, when it is made big, it is also called MLA pesarattu special. That means so. While today's recipe is very healthy, eat in moderation. Even I can't believe myself. These words coming out of me. Oh!